Hi, my name is Human Sheikh. I'm one of the lawyers here at Westgate Associates. We're proud to be the go-to firm for UK fisheries and fish producers in the UK for their immigration needs. In this video, I'll be detailing some important changes that's coming into effect on the 22nd of July 2025, which could affect you or your business. From the 22nd of July 2025, the Home Office will be removing several jobs related to fisheries and fish processing, and they won't be able to be sponsored on the skilled worker visa anymore, unless they meet specific requirements. These jobs include deckhands, share fishermen, fishery managers, fish and river keepers, and several others. These jobs will be classified below the required level 6 skill level, meaning they can't be sponsored anymore as of the 22nd of July 2025. However, there will be a temporary exemption for this based off the shortage occupation list, meaning some of these roles can still be sponsored up until the 31st of December 2026, but potentially not beyond this period. There are two other major changes to be aware of. Firstly, those who are applying for new sponsorship after the 22nd of July 2025 won't be able to bring their dependents. Those already on the visa will not be affected by this rule change. Secondly, the minimum salary threshold is being increased from currently £30,960 up to £33,400. This will apply to all new applicants after the 22nd of July 2025, as well as those extending or changing employers. If you already hold a valid visa in one of these fishing roles, you can continue to work with your current employer and change employers. You also will be able to bring your dependents or keep them here if you have already brought them to the UK. However, if you're applying to extend your visa or change employer or apply for settlement, you'll have to make sure that you meet the new increased salary threshold of £33,400. It's also essential that if you haven't reached your settlement by the 31st of December 2020, that you make sure you make an extension before this date, because after that, we're not sure, based on what the Home Office have already told us, that the roles can still be sponsored. Our advice to the fishing industry is clear. If you already have a license and you plan to hire workers, try and do so before the 22nd of July 2025 where possible. If you don't already have a license, apply immediately. You'll need to be approved and start employing workers prior to the 31st of December 2026. And for migrants currently in the UK on the visa, make sure you apply for an extension or settlement before the 31st of December 2026 to make sure you safeguard your future in the UK. These changes significantly limit overseas access to workers in the fishing industry. Acting now means your business can retain the ability to recruit talent from outside the UK and keep your business going. If you need urgent advice on how these changes will affect your sponsored workers, your sponsorship license, or your ability to recruit in the future, contact us today. We work with all parts of the fishing industry from all over the UK, so don't be afraid to contact us immediately. My name is Human Sheikh from Westgate Associates. Thank you for watching this video.